Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick DIY kind of fix on your window regulators. I have a 2008 Dodge Dakota and I've had to replace the window regulators in the back of my truck 3 separate times. And I think it's a design issue because yeah, I can't believe I had to replace them 3 times. So when my window regulators, they go, it sounds like the side of my truck is getting hit with something heavy. What ends up happening is the plastic that holds the cable for it snaps. So, you know what? I'll do one better. I'll show you. Let's just kind of flip this. All right, so if you can see that right there, there's a crack in the plastic. Alright guys, so like I said, because of that crack right there, this whole plastic piece fails and it pulls apart, and then it puts so much strain on your cables, you can't put this back together. I've tried to put it back together. I think I have pictures of it of the first time I did it where it literally kind of exploded, and I was trying to glue and weld and trying to get it, it just sucked. It didn't work. So what I'm going to try to do to see if I can preserve this, I just replaced the passenger side. So this is the driver's side. So if you can see right in the middle, right there, I put some, even in the back right there, I added some JB Weld epoxy. So if you don't know what that is, that's this right here. It's a 2-part epoxy. It's supposed to be like almost like metal. I've been using this forever. My dad's been using this forever. We've actually used it on radiators. My dad's actually used it on the head. But my thought process is, because there's that open void in there, and since these are tugging back and forth, it's kind of making that movement where that plastic goes brittle over time just because of our heat. I don't know if it's happening back east with other people. I don't know if it's just a Dodge Dakota thing, but so I filled that whole entire piece with that JB Weld, hoping that it's kind of relieving the pressure and not moving the plastic as much, so it's all bonded together. So we'll see how long it lasts. I've done a video on how to replace these, and my vehicle is super easy. There's 3 screws and some trim. You take it off, you unplug it in, you take the door lock off, you take the weather stripping out, and there is 1, 2, 3, 5 bolts. I think they're 10 ml bolts. You just zip those out real quick and you take them off and you put it back on. But hopefully this helps somebody. I don't know. I'm gonna try it for the first time to see if it works. Like I said, I've had to replace 3 of these. You know what's crazy is Dodge normally uses like 1 part for multiple vehicles. Like the Dodge door, like the handle, my door handle on the outside of my truck will fit a Durango and a Ram within the same years. So I actually had somebody try to break into my truck, drilled out busted out my lock and tried to open the door. Didn't open the door, but destroyed my handle and messed my paint up. And I kind of needed an emergency and I had to order it. I was going to take 3 or 4 days for it to come in. So I went to the junkyard, and sure enough, those actually fit my truck. But the window regulators, these, I cannot find in another vehicle. I've tried Jeeps, I've tried Chryslers, I tried other Dodges, and just for some reason, the regulators on my truck are very specific to that vehicle. So, but anyways, hopefully it helps. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.